Sinalubong ni na Philippine Coast Guard Commandant Admiral Ronnie Hill Gavan, Palawan District Commodore Captain Dennis Labay at PCG spokesperson Commodore J. Tariela ang pagdating ng BRP Teresa Magbanwa sa Puerto Princesa, Port sa Palawan kahapon, September 15. Pinarangalan at pinasalamatan ni Admiral Gavan ang commanding officer ng BRP Teresa Magbanwa na si Lieutenant Commander Efren Duran at crew nito sa ipinakitang sakripisyo ng mga ito para masiguro ang seguridad sa West Philippine Sea. Pagtitiyak pa ni Admiral Gavan, mananatiling profesional ang PCG sa pagsunod sa utos ng Pangulo sa pagpapanatili ng kapayapaan sa karagadagang sakop ng Pilipinas. Ayon sa National Maritime Council o NMC, umalis sa Escoda Shoal ang BRP Teresa Magbanwa matapos ang 5 buwang pananatili roon para sa repair, resupply at sa barko at pahinga ng mga crew. Samantala, 4 sa tauhan ng nasabing barko ang nangangailangan ng atensyong medikal dahil sa iba't ibang sakit dulot ng dehydration at matinding pagod.
In April, you were directed to proceed to Escoda Shoal. Number 1, to deter any efforts to do small-scale reclamation in that area. Number 2, you were directed because you were to provide the platform and the capabilities for the marine scientific survey and studies which has to be done in the area because of the massive coral destruction reported to us. You've done it very well. And third, you were tasked to provide protection to our fishermen in the area.